Hi everybody, in this video we are going to calculate the mean and standard deviation for a discrete probability distribution, and we're going to use our TI-84 calculator. A local hospital kept records for the past year of the number of patients admitted to the ER for the flu. Find the mean and standard deviation for the given probability distribution. So we have the number of patients from 0 to 10, and the probabilities are ranging from just above 0 to 0.1 and additional decimals. So the first thing we will do is put it into our calculator. So we click Stat and then Edit, and that brings us up to entering our lists. So from there, if your lists are not clear, you'll want to clear them by arrowing up to the list name, pressing clear, and then enter. And from here we can just enter our values. List 1 will be our number of patients, so it'll be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. We just keep going until we get them all entered. Now for list 2, we're going to put in our 0 point and our decimals. Keep in mind that if our decimal ends in a 0, it will not show. For example, number 3, it ends in a 0 and it doesn't show. Now I'm just going to go ahead and pause this and finish entering these values. So here we have all of our values entered. Then we go to Stat, Calc, var stats, and we enter our lists. We click Second, List 1, which is the number 1. We do not use the alpha key. Then we do, for our frequency list, that's our probabilities, and we do, again, second, number 2, and we click Calculate. So we have our mean is the 5.104, which is the X bar, and our standard deviation is the sigma of X, which is 3.0469. And as needed, we would round to the appropriate number of decimal places for the problem. So let me write those answers over here. We have our mean is 5.104, and our standard deviation, if we just want it to 4 decimal places, would be 3.0470, because we would round that 9 up, so that would go to 70. So I hope that helps with our calculations.